hop in. Take a butter on the roof. Where is he? Where's John? Oh, Stevie, look at that. He jumped on the roof.
Yeah, jump on the roof. Yeah. Better jump on the west gate because I'll try to go that way. What's else points you down here?
41.
Okay.